Good morning, students. Today is Tuesday and the date is 15th 12 2020. So, student, in the previous video, in the last video, we have learnt about the money. There are two modes of money, one in coin and the other one is notes. The coins are made by metal and the notes made by paper. So today we will again revise this. So everyone take out your book and write down today's date and quotation. On the topic money, you have to write down the today's date 15.12.20 and the quotation is we are one. Student, you know very well we need money to buy things. Money is very important for us. Without money we can't survive. Money comes in the form of coins and notes, we already discussed. So there are 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. You already see this? Yes, 10 rupee note, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees and 500 rupee note. Student, you know 1 rupee having 100 paisa. See, this is 1 rupee and here you see 1 rupee means 100 paisa. Student, if we take 250 paisa, 50 paisa, okay, 50 and the other 50, I don't have 250, but if I take 25, again 25, so 25 plus 25 and 50, like 25, 25 and 50. If we add 5 plus 5, can you tell me? Yes, 5 plus 5, 10. Here we put 1 on carry, then 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now it becomes 100. So student, clear? If we take 100 paisa, these are the paisa, okay? So 100 paisa makes 1 rupee. Okay, 100 paisa makes 1 rupee. So student, 250 makes 1 rupee. If we are talking about 2 rupees, so student, you know very well, if we take 1 rupee and this is also 1 rupee, okay, 1 rupee and 1 rupee having same value, both are having, if we combined it, so this is equal to this, okay. So if we are talking about 100 rupees, okay, 100 rupees, if we take 250 rupees, then it make 100 rupee. Yes. Let's do an activity. Student, here are all type of rupees and all type of note and you make a card, okay, cards, 4 cards of each paisa or each rupee, okay, you have to take 4 cards for each rupee or uh, each rupee and each coin, okay. Now the game is, if we are talking about 2 rupees, so sorry, if we are talking about 2 rupees, so 2 rupee is equal to 1 rupee, okay, it's equal to 1 rupee. Yes, any doubt? No. If we take again this 2 rupee and 1 rupee, and just wait students, and take these 425 paisa coin and 1 rupee coin is equal to 2 rupee. Okay? Yes. And students, so student, if we have 450 paisa coin, 450 paisa coin is equal to 2 rupees because 250 becomes 100 paisa. This becomes 100 paisa, and this is also become 100 paisa, and 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. Okay, so 1 rupee and 1 rupee is equal to 2 rupees, isn't it? Yes. Clear now? Yes. So student, see, this is a 20 rupees note. This is a 20 rupee note. If we take 110 rupee, okay, in the coin form and 110 rupee in the note form, okay, in the note. If we have one note of 10 rupees and one coin of 10, both are equal, both are equal, and these two 10, one 10 rupees coin and one 10 rupees note is equal to 20 rupees. Clear now? Yes. Now, if we are talking about 5 rupees, okay, if we are talking about 5 rupees, so students, this is 10 rupee note? No. So you have to take the money for making this. Okay. So I take 1 rupee, 1 rupee I take, and 2 rupee, and again I take 2 rupee. Okay. It becomes 5. Clear everyone? So here we tick 1, 2, 2, 2 and 1. Now the value of these coins are equal to this. Okay. Now then we see the next one. Now see, this is the 10 rupee note. Okay. You can see this is the printed and this one is the original. Okay. So here you have to count the money that is equal to this 10 rupees. So we have 1 rupee, this one is 5 rupee, and 2 and 2, 1. So how to make 10 rupees? We take 5 rupee. Okay. Now we take 2 rupees, and now I take 1 rupee. Yes students, 5 plus 2 7, 7 1, 8, 8 plus 2 10. So these coins are equal to 10 rupees. Yes. Now if we are talking about this question, so student, let's see. This is a 20 rupees note. Okay. Now I take 110, 1 5 and the other 5. But I have only 1 5. That is why we have to consider this, this and this. So we have to put the tick mark here. This and this. the value of these three coins is equal to this note. Okay, so here we write 5, 2, 1 and 2. Okay, now 2 rupees. Now coin of 2. Then we take one this. Okay, and the other one, no, this is 1 and 250. Okay, 250 and 1 is equal to 2. Then if we are talking about this 50 note, okay, this 50, how it becomes? Yes, if we take 120 and this is the old note of 20. This is the old note of 20. Okay, student, this one is new and this one is old. So 220 note and 110 rupees note. Okay, 220 and 110 is equal to 50. Yes, clear? So 220 and 110 rupees. 220 and 110. See, count it. 20 plus 20 means 40. 2 or 2, 4 and 0, 40. 40 or plus 10, 50. So it is equal to this note. Okay. Now if we are talking about 200. So 200, how we can make 200? If we are taking 2 to 100 notes. 100, this 100, just for making 200 we use 200 notes. These notes are equal to this note. Yes, so we put tick here. Okay, then 100. Okay, so student, for making 100 we use 50, we use 20, again we use 20 and again we use 10 because 50 and now it is, if we added these numbers 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 10 50. So we can write 40 or 10. 40 plus 10 50 and 50 plus 50 becomes 100. So that's all for today. You have to learn about the money. You know very well money is very important for us. Our father, our parents, our mother earn money for us. So we should respect money. Okay, don't waste money. Save money. Bye bye.